In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your workflow views in Hubspot. Managing your workflow views can seem overwhelming at first, but it really doesn't have to be. With a few basic steps, you'll be navigating and customizing your Hubspot workflows like a pro in no time. Let's dive in. To start, make sure you're at the Hubspot homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com. Once you arrive on the homepage, you'll need to log in. Look for the login button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your Hubspot account. Once logged in, you should find yourself at the Hubspot home interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Now we're going to focus on accessing the automation features. Navigate to the menu and find automations, click on it and you'll be directed to a new page where you can manage various automated processes. Next, find workflows in the automation section. This is where you'll be handling different types of workflows that you've set up to streamline your business operations. Click on workflows and your various workflow options should appear. In this area, you have several controls to customize your view. The first one to consider is the on or off toggle. This feature is quite useful if you need to quickly activate or deactivate particular workflows. Simply click this toggle to switch your workflows on or off according to your needs. Now let's explore how to filter your workflows based on type. By clicking on type, you can organize your workflows according to different categories. This helps in managing them more efficiently, especially as your number of workflows grows over time. Another useful sorting option is the creator filter. This is handy for those who work collaboratively and need to track who developed which workflow. By selecting creator, you can easily group and view workflows by the person who created them. Additionally, you can filter workflows by the tool created from. This option allows you to view workflows based on the originating tool, which is beneficial if you're trying to troubleshoot or refine processes from specific tools. Last but not least, pay attention to the action type filter. This helps sort workflows by the types of actions they initiate, giving you a clearer picture of what processes are being automated and helping you ensure everything is functioning as intended. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well equipped to manage your workflow views in HubSpot. Mastering these features can lead to streamlined operations and better workflow management, ultimately enhancing your productivity. Thanks for watching, and make sure to explore more of our tutorials to get the most out of your HubSpot tools. Have a great day.